This is a nice little lock. This is the Avis 7230. It's a dead shackle and a dead core. And it's a real nice little lock. It's not rated, but ranked, I mean. And, well, it's just a fun pick. Okay, let's get a tensioner. Can't view this through the lens very well. Maybe my other tensioner I was looking for. Okay, let's see. That's a tiny lock. That pick is almost too big. There we go. Not a hard lock to open, but it's a good starter lock in the morning to get you going. Just to warm up with. Oh yeah, so. And that should just about do it for 7230. And that's what I have for you today. Thank you. Don't forget my live stream tonight at 10:30. Yeah, be there. I'm introducing my son, Skip Jr. Man, he's a video game expert, and that's what we'll be talking about. Thanks a lot. Good day.